Hello there, welcome to our channel. Right now we are in Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim, and today we are going to go on a walking tour of Lal Bazaar and MG Market, the biggest shopping area in Gangtok. Well guys, today we are going to start our tour from the walkover bridge at Lal Bazaar bus stand on NH10. So let's take you there right away.
Hey guys, right now we are going towards Lal Bazaar and we're at the Lal Bazaar flyover bridge, the walkway. I'll show you the place right now. That's the place and that is Lal Bazaar. So we're going towards it and we're on the walkway. You can see that's the walkway and that's the road below.
We're right now moving towards the Laal Bazaar market. So we'll be taking a shortcut to the Gangtok groceries organic market, and from there you'll get some nice views of the town and it will also be less crowded.
And that's the way to MG Marg and main Gangtok town. So we are going towards the Sikkim Gangtok organic market. This is an organic produce market like fresh fruits and vegetables. You'll find a lot of things out here. All these are fresh produce. Well, most of the shops are closed right now. It will come some other time, I guess. This is a farmer's market. And there's a view of the town from the vegetable market. So guys, we are right now near Lal Bazaar in Gangtok, and you can see there are various food stalls, fast food stalls, chaat stalls, and there are few malls out here with a giant screen playing some videos. And we'll move towards Lal Bazaar. That is the market, this is the Lal Bazaar main market. So we'll go there.
But first we shall check out the MG Market. MG Market is an unorganized tourist market situated on both sides of the stairway from MG Marg to Denzong cinema near Lal Bazaar. Out here, there are many cloth shops and souvenir shops, which are targeted mostly towards tourists. You will find different types of clothing, especially winter wear, and lots of small items like accessories, toys, souvenirs, hats, etc. But the prices they quote are a bit high and you need to do some bargaining to get a good price. It seems my friend wants to get a car, but he is in dilemma about the color.
I like the blue one. That is more colorful, but this is better.
Well, that's the end of the stairs as well as MG Market. And you can see Denzong Cinema and Denzong Inn at a distance, which is situated near Laal Bazaar and where we are going to go next.
And you can see here is the Denzong cinema. There is a cinema hall out here. And we'll go up here to Lal Bazaar. It's one of the popular public squares in Gangtok. It's the main market area. And a lot of shops out here as well as people selling items on the street. So we are in Gangtok, the main market area in Gangtok, and we are going towards the Lal Bazaar mall. Bazaar. Kanchanjungha shopping plaza. We'll go upstairs to the roof. So guys, this is the Kanchanjungha shopping complex and Lal Bazaar. We are standing right next to it, and that is the entire area. You can view from here. So this is the main marketplace in Gangtok.
That's the entrance of the market and we are going to go in. This is a common man's supermarket in Gangtok. You'll find almost everything from groceries to clothing to utensils and other things that are necessary for the household. And the prices out here are quite reasonable too, as mostly local people buy from this place.
Well guys, we are at a store out here and we are buying some local egg noodles which is prepared by the cottage industries out here in Sikkim and it's totally organic. So it costs 50 bucks for one pack. You can see there are different types of noodles out here, all homemade. And this section is actually totally for noodles and fruits. So there we go. Well, apart from groceries, this market also has different sections for clothing, footwear and interior decorations. And if you are good at bargaining, you might land up some few steal deals on winter wear out here. There is also the GANGTOK EXPO on the top floor. A walk to this place reminds me of the short story Araby by James Joyce, where there is a similar mention of an oriental fair where the protagonist visits at night. We are now going to the roof of this building at Laal Bazaar, and I am going to show you an interesting thing out here. So we are here at the roof of Lal Bazaar. That's the view of Lal Bazaar and the rest of Gangtok town. Isn't it beautiful? On the roof you can see an interesting thing. Children are skateboarding, which is not usually seen in hill areas, but out here these guys have found a place where they can skateboard easily. So tell us, how did you find it in your comments below? And if you haven't done it yet, go now and click that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified for other interesting videos. Till then,
Have a nice time.